Okay, as we all know that DSLRs are ruling the world of photography and videography, but did you know that an SLR camera like Nikon B500 is a beast and somewhat a DSLR with an unchangeable lens or a fixed lens? Hey, welcome to ProSmart, and in this video let's unbox Nikon B500 camera and I will show you all the features. Before unboxing this awesome camera, make sure to subscribe to our channel as we make a lot of apps and games countdowns, unboxing and review videos just like this one. Well, I am using Nikon B500 for a year now and I will share my experience with you. As you can see, I preserved the box and also the things which you will get with the camera in this big colorful box. The box is pretty big. Inside the box there are the user manual, warranty card, USB cable, HDMI cable and the camera itself. As I am using the camera right now to shoot the video, the SD card is inside the camera. You will get a SD card free with the product. The camera comes in two color variant, red and black. The cost is around 15,000 in Indian rupees, which is pretty low. Not only the Nikon B500 has features that a DSLR can offer, but also it have the super zoom lens, which cameras in this price bracket doesn't have. The camera is spectacular in terms of its design and color. This is the red color model and the black variant was not available when I bought it. The red color looks cool and more than that I like it. The camera is super easy to hold and operate. There are no chances of slipping the camera thanks to its grip. The high quality rubber grip prevents the camera from slipping while you are shooting handheld videos or clicking photos. For beginners, it's easy to hold and use. The size is big compared to the point and shoot cameras, but this is somewhat an older brother to those cameras. The picture captured by this turns really well and so does the videos. Another thing which I liked is the tilting 7.5cm or 3-inch anti-reflection coated LCD monitor. You can adjust the brightness up to 5 levels. In this price range, there are no such cameras with tilting monitor. You can move it up and down, which is approximately 90 degrees and 85 degrees respectively, but not right and left, which is a minus point. Now you can shoot videos or photos from different angles such as high and low. The Nikon B500 is powered by 4 rechargeable AAA batteries. Yes, you will get a charger to charge these batteries. The battery section is right below the camera and besides that, there is the SD card slot. It has 40x optical zoom and the 80x dynamic zoom, which is enough to blow your mind. You will not believe what it can do. Nikon B500 can beat any DSLRs under 25,000. The autofocus works well. Now the macro and micro modes play a huge role here. You can change the modes by this button. When you are taking photos or videos and your subject is near or close to the camera, the micro mode will not only focus the subject properly, but also it will blur the background like a DSLR. This is cool, and while you are taking photos of something far away from your camera, you can change the mode to macro mode. The camera is smart enough to select the focus areas and the autofocus is fantastic. Other focus area selection tools like the face priority, manual mode with 99 focus areas, subject tracking, target finding autofocus which I use, and the center focus mode is also available. The zoom in and out buttons are not one but two. One is on the edge which makes easy to operate it. Push it right to zoom in and left to zoom out. The second one is on the other side. Sometimes this button also becomes useful. The camera produces clear, bright, saturated and HD photos. The 16 megapixel camera is a beast. The images are saved in JPEG format or JPEG format. The camera is also capable of capturing nightscape and star trails. Other options are available such as self timer and built-in flash, which is really bright. Inside the gallery, get all your photographs and videos, and later on you can edit them as well. There are built-in filters and editing tools. Check out these photos that I've clicked with Nikon B500. Same goes for the videos. You can record birds flying, sitting, eating, or record the moon or anything which is really far away from where you're sitting with your camera. The 40x optical zoom and the 80x dynamic zoom are the main reason behind purchasing the Nikon B500. If you cannot afford a DSLR, no problem. The Nikon B500 will do the work of a DSLR. While zooming in or out, the video is really smooth and the video is not blurry. The recording resolution is 1080p at 30 frames per second, which is 16:9 ratio. Check out these videos that I've shot using Nikon B500. Surprisingly, you can also shoot crazy slow-mo, but sadly it's 480p. Comment below how is the slow-mo, and here is the video. In low light or during night time, the video is also clear and not at all hazy. It will be grainy, but somehow the camera will produce bright photos, so there is nothing worrying about the quality of photos and videos during day and night. If I talk about the video, the color of the video is also very good, natural color, and the stability is awesome. The Nikon B500 comes with an HDMI port, USB port and an AV port. This section is covered with nice rubber cap. You can connect the camera to desktop or laptop. There is a SnapBridge Android app which allows you to connect your smartphone to the camera through Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. With this app you can share your files to your smartphone. The camera also supports NFC. That was the review guys. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Also subscribe to the channel for more videos and like this video. Thanks for watching. I am BroSmart and I'm signing out.